What did he say about the flashlight?
Yeah, that's him right there.
That's him? Okay, where is she?
She's right there.
Alright.
She's right there.
Whiskey 6 get visual. She's walking south on the street. Cigarette in her hand. Appears to be a single zero on her left, in her right hand. She's about 5 meters from us. She's about 15 meters.
Ma'am, stop walking!
Vigil, she's walking south on the street. In her hand. There's a single zero in her right hand. You know, left. You are the ones that call out. She's walking to you. We all apprehension will cover.
Ma'am, stop walking!
Do not rush her. Contact is over.
Hold there. Ma'am, stop walking! Online! Move up!
Hey, I got eyes. Hey, eyes. Hey, there's a Whiskey Foxtrot walking down the street right now. Hey, there's a Whiskey Foxtrot walking down the street right now.
No left. The other ones that call out. She's walking to you. You're all apprehension will cover.
Suspect down! She's down! Hold on, I'm getting up on.
Hold there.
I'm on your rear.
Sir, stay there. Get on the road. Stay there.
Everyone just hold there until we see it.
Are we holding?
I'm trying to get a...
Yeah, they are right there, so they're right.
Vigil, she's walking south on the street.
Towards us? Yep. She a little thicker?
Okay.
Right hand.
No left.
No left. The other ones that call out. She's walking to you. You're all apprehension will cover.
Hold. Move up. Online. Hold there. Move over. Get behind cover. Hold there.
Yep, she's walking up. Ooh. Yep. In the middle of the road. Hold. Move up. Online.
Hold there.
Yep, side. Move over. Get behind cover. Move.
Hold there.
Yep, you're good.
Sir, stay there. Keep on the left. Keep on cover. Hold there. Hold there. Sir, stay there. Get out of the road. Stay there.
Stay there!
Get back, sir. Come on. Sir, get back. We see you. Hey, we got your cover. Do not rush it. Can y'all see her? Does she
I
have
can see her.
hands?
I can see her.
Where's the gun?
Gun's still in her hand.
Let go of it now. Let go of the gun.
She's not in her hands, but it's above her head.
Do not move up.
Ma'am, slide your right arm down to your right leg.
Hold there. Man, can you hear us?
She's talking.
Y'all keep talking. We'll hold cover.
Okay.
Do not rush her.
Ma'am, to the best of your ability, put your right arm down to your right leg. Okay.
We want you in the cul-de-sac. Go back in your house.
Go back in your house.
Sir, whoever's in this garage, it's the police. Close that door right now. Close this right now.
Okay.
Close it.
You got it.
Close it.
Ma'am, do not move. Put your hands.
It's above her head.
She does not have contact with it.
Ma'am, again, with the best of your ability, move your right arm down to your right leg.
Like you got shot in the leg.
Ma'am, stop moving your arm. She said she doesn't know. Ma'am, if you best your ability, try to roll over away from that weapon. She can't. She's saying no. You gotta move up. Stay online. Stay online. Get online.
I'm with you, Danny.
Stop moving! I'm kicking that firearm. I'm kicking that firearm. Secure that firearm.
Hey, go grab my med bag. Right here.
Render it.
You gotta turn it. I got one right here.
All right. So if we hold cover on her and try to get her to move away from the gun, but we can't move up on her right now.
She said she can't move away from it.
Ma'am, can you move?
She said she doesn't know.
You wanna try and get her to move away from the gun?
If she can.
Have her roll to her left. Have her roll left.
One voice.
Yep.
Have her roll left.
Hey. Can you move your hands to your waist? Away from the gun. Sir, go back inside.
Go in the house!
That's her husband.
All right. We have to move up if he's going. Online.
Yo, hold right there until we come online.
Sir, stop!
Back up!
Stop! All right.
Go.
Hey, go
All right.
that bag. I'm the pole right here.
Render aid. Crime scene.